Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking. Today we're doing our take on that famous Italian pasta, Arrabbiata, but we are going to be making it with zucchini. An Italian Arrabbiata sauce is basically a very simple tomato sauce with a hint of chili. For today's sauce, we're going to be using pureed tomato, some Italian herb, dried herb, black pepper, salt, fresh chili, a little bit of sugar, and we're going to also use these strips of zucchini that we have been able to hand make. And just for some crunch, I'm going to be putting in some green pepper. To our oil and basil, I'm going to be adding in some of this crunchy green pepper. And I'm also going to add in our strips of zucchini. And we'll include in about 1 crushed chili. Of course, if you'd like a little bit more, you are welcome to add that. And let's just saute that in this olive oil and fresh basil. Right, so now I'm going to be adding in about a cup of pureed tomato. And I'm going to add in the rest of our ingredients, which is some dried Italian herb, black pepper, salt to taste, and just a hint of sugar for the tomato that we've added. Of course, you don't have to add the sugar. And let's give that all a stir again. And this is also a lovely dish that doubles up for Ekadasi on those days when we fast without grain. So it's a gluten-free meal, and it's also a lovely dish for a fasting day. So we're just going to cover it for a few minutes now, and we're going to let all those lovely herbs and those spices and that olive oil infuse, and we'll have a look at it in another few minutes. Right, so let's have a look at our prep. Yes, it looks exactly like what it should look like. The zucchini is al dente. It's not too soft. It's still got a bit of a bite to it. The sauce has cooked down quite nicely, and we're ready to plate. Our zucchini dish is ready. Let's plate. And we will finish it off with a little bit more of our lovely Italian herb, just a pinch more black pepper, and we'll crumble some. And there you have our lovely zucchini in an Arrabbiata sauce, perfect for a non-gluten meal.